Hello everybody, my name is Elena. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making spoon donuts, which is a really simple recipe and it's really easy to make. So the ingredients that we need are 5 eggs, 5 grams of yogurt, 550 grams of flour, plain flour, or you can just take the raisin flour if you want. 6 full spoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, zest from 1 lemon, which is right here, a pinch of salt, and oil to cook the donuts. So we're gonna start by adding the baking powder into the flour. We mix everything up. Here are the eggs that we need. We're gonna add the sugar, 6 full spoons, like so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. A little salt, and we're mixing everything together. You can always use the food processor, which will be much easier. Okay, it needs to look like this. Now we're adding the yogurt into the flour. Okay. Mix a little bit the flour and the yogurt. Add the eggs slowly. I always add them slowly, not everything at once. Mix everything. Add the rest of the eggs. Mix again. Okay, and now we need to add the lemon. Vanilla, a spoon, maybe 2, because it's nice and it tastes good. Okay, and this is a Romanian thing. It's really nice and tasty. But it's optional, you don't have to add this, but we do like it with it. And we're mixing everything together to be soft, not hard, right? This is the dough mixed together. Now we're gonna leave it on the side to rest for about 10 minutes. We're adding the oil in the pan, and then we're coming back to show you how to finish the donuts. The 10 minutes are gone. This is our final result. We've got 2 spoons here. Dip it into the hot oil. Take a spoon. Slice it up. Carry on the same. They're going nice and round. You can add some more. And one more. And carry on like this until you're finishing the dough. We got here some sugar, powdered sugar. Putting the donuts into the powder. Placing them there. And carry on like this until you finish them all. Here we have the results. I hope you like my recipe, and I really hope you'll try it. It's delicious. And let me know what you think about it. And see you next time. Thanks for watching.